everybody, this is Happy Duck 78 here, and today I have another Hot Wheels review. Today is something different. I've been wanting to get this for a little while. Well, here it is. It's a Hot Wheels dirt bike. It says 2007 new models. It's got the cars, Hot Wheels, and this. Let's open it up, and it's got a kickstand with it. Got some pretty good decals. Now we will get this thing open. Now it's got some pretty cool realistic features on the motor. It's got a kickstand that says Hot Wheels. It's got some pretty cool wheels. Unfortunately, I thought that they could move the tires, but I guess not. But it looks pretty cool. It's Happy Duck 78.